Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning to all. Welcome to my today online class. Dear students, learners, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, hope that you are passing have a good day. Isn't it, dear student? Okay. Today I am discussing about important or renowned class 9 to 10, subject English first paper, unit 7, lesson 6. Unit 7, lesson 6. And this unit headline of Mother Teresa. Okay, this unit are important passages about Mother Teresa. Okay, isn't it, dear student? At this time, you have to open page 102. So, lesson 6, love for humility. Dear learners or students, look at the picture and talk about it in pairs. Okay, we can see in the picture, love for humanity was renowned or remarkable Mother Teresa. Isn't it, dear student? And you have to turn page 103. Read more about Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sea and died on the streets of Kolkata. Dear learners, I am again cited in these sentences. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sea and died on the streets of Kolkata. So, dear learners, you have to underline in these sentences important word like that. Dying, it means that about to go out, synonym, demise or disease. Isn't it, dear student? And in this line, clear evident that those who are ill-fated, underprivileged, loneliness, suffer from any penniless. Mother Teresa was moved by on the streets of Kolkata. She founded a home for the dying destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. She established a home for the dying destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday. It means that pure heart. So, dear student, Nirmal Hriday stands for pure heart, and it is established in 1952. Okay. She and her fellow nuns brought the dying people of the streets of Kolkata to this home. Not only she, but also her companion or cooperative person, fellow nuns, brought the dying people of the streets of Kolkata to this home. Got my point, dear students? Okay, thank you so much. Let's come to next para. They were lovingly looked after and cared for men. So, they were lovingly looked after, cared, service for them. Since then, many men, women and children have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hriday. In these important sentences, I am again said that not only men, women, but also children or underprivileged, penniless, ill-fated person have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hriday. So, dear students, we know that Nirmal Hriday, it means that pure heart. Okay, and it's very important points in these scene passages. Remind that, dear student, this unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. Those who are ill-fated or loneliness, penniless person, they can be got opportunity to die in an environment of kindness, sympathy and love. Isn't it, dear students? Okay, In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. It means that they are fully get a lot of opportunity or golden opportunity to give that and can feel they are also children of God. Isn't it, dear students? The missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Okay, dear student, in these important sentences, in this important line, I am again said that reading for the missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. So, those who are ill-fated, those who are loneliness, suffering from any disease, they can bring a charity of group missionaries to find jobs who survive can live happily, comfortable for some more years in a caring or service good environment or perfect environment. Got my point? Hope that dear learners. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? According to commitment to family or determined to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody members who is feeling loneliness, who is feeling sick, depressed, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Okay, are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families, or do we put our interest first? Okay, we must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. We must recall that love begins at home, society or family, and we must also remember that future of compassion, humanity passes through the whole family. Isn't it, dear student? Hope understood in this para, dear students. And now let's go second para. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world and she received a number of awards. Love for humanity or philanthropist woman, Mother Teresa received a number of honors including like that the Pope John XXIII Peace Prize in 1971, the Nehru Prize for Promotion of International Peace and Understanding in 1971. Then the Belgian Prize in 1978, the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and the Bharat Ratna in 1980. All of these awards was renowned or remarkable the present world only for love for humanity, Mother Teresa. Isn't it, dear students? Hope that understood in my topics. Okay. At the end of para, so dear students, be attentive in my lecture what I say, like that vocabulary or clarify evident to in this step by step line. Okay. Last para, Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on 5th September 1997. In these sentences, again said that Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on 5th September in 1997. Okay, the world salutes her for her love and compassion for humanity. The whole world also salutes, welcome or oblivion for her love, philanthropist, compassion for humanity. Isn't it, dear students? Okay, thanks to all. She has taught us how to extend our hand towards those who need our love and support irrespective like that creed, caste and religion. In these sentences or line, I am again stated or to explain that she has taught us how to extend or increase our hand towards brotherhood, those who need our love and support irrespective like that creed, caste, religion and saintly, etc. The picture of Mother Teresa draped in a white and blue bordered sari with a ring, face, ever soft eyes and a saintly smile lives on in our minds. So, dear students, at this time I have completed in this renowned or remarkable scene passage love for humanity such as Mother Teresa. So, dear students, at the end of my lecture, at the end of comprehensive or to explain in this passage to follow or learning outcome, we got lost a remarkable or renowned person, Mother Teresa. Isn't it, dear students? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, dear students, we know that Mother Teresa was not only a saintly woman but also a philanthropist and benevolent woman in the present world. Okay, and she wanted to build or establish Nirmal Hriday. It means that or it stands for pure heart. Those who are ill-fated, underprivileged, loneliness, suffering from any disease to streets, depression, they can carry streets of Kolkata. Isn't it, dear students? Okay, at this time I have written some important questions to relate important passages about Mother Teresa. Dear students, all of these questions you have to read, be careful and to get similar about important philanthropist or love for humanity, Mother Teresa. If you get understood about this passage like that vocabulary or a step-by-step line explained to understood, then you can get a good result in your annual examination. On the other hand, dear students, from discussing or regarding about a lot of passages from class 9 to 10, this passage is better than best. Okay, lots of previous question, this important scene passage also came. Got my point, dear students? And next class you have to bring or to do homework like that. So the best answer, true or false, answer the following question. There are 3 types of homework next time you have to do, and these types of points you have to get in your textbook. Okay, the present situation of the world, COVID-19 is a very adventurous passing of life. Prevention is better than cure. Safety is past. Read, read and read. Dear student, thank you so much. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.